and a few streets away joined a large crowd of people. But we could see the fire only from a distance because the police would not allow anyone near the building on fire. What a terrible scene I saw that day. Two flames of fire were coming out of each floor, and black and thick smoke spread all around. Every now and then, tongue of fire would shoot up almost sky high, sending huge sparks of fire round
Yes, Neetu
about.
ma'am. Neetu ma'am, you continue. अच्छा आप पढ़ रहे हैं गीतू जी, आप पढ़ लीजिए, नीतू मैम नहीं है यहाँ. Yes ma'am, you read. Fire engines. 3 fire engines, third paragraph.
Three fire engines were busily engaged and the firemen in their dark uniform were playing the hose on various part of the building. The rushing water from several hoses.
Hoses का मतलब समझते हो?
No ma'am.
मोटे मोटे पाइप होते हैं ना जो फायर ब्रिगेड के पास, उनको बोलते हैं hose pipe. Yes.
Soaked the building, but it did not seem to have any effect on the flames. Then the tall red ladders of the fire engine were stretched upward, and I could see some firemen climbing up the hoses in their hands on reaching almost the top of the ladder. They began to pour floods of water.
Floods, madam.
Floods of water on the topmost part of the building. This continuous flooding brought the fire under control, but the building was completely destroyed. While fire is blazing, in many ways it can also be a great danger to human and
life
property.
and property. Yes, Neetu ma'am, please start from the beginning. Neetu ma'am.
I had never seen a house on before, so when I had heard fire engines with loud alarm bells rushing past my house, I quickly ran out and a few streets and a large crowd of people, but we could see the fire only from a distance because the police would not allow anyone near the building fire. What a terrible scene I saw that day. Huge flames of fire were coming out of each floor, and black and thick smoke spread all around. Every now, every now and tongue of them tongue shoot up almost sky high, sending sparks of fire round about. 3 fire engines were busily engaged, and the firemen in their dark uniform were playing the on various parts of the building. The rushing.
It's enough, ma'am. It's enough. Thank you. Now I have given you a grammar part, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we are doing present perfect continuous tense.
Okay.
Ma'am, today we are doing present perfect continuous tense. In it, we can use
Yes, ma'am.
has, have, been plus ing. जहां continuous होगा वहां ing होगा. It has been done. The work which started before in past. कोई काम जो पहले शुरू हुआ हो मगर अभी तक चल रहा हो. अभी तक काम शुरू हो गया पास्ट में मगर अभी तक चल रहा है. Are you getting it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Say it is yes. You are wet
Yes.
because you have been swimming in the river. Yeah, we have been living here for 4 years. इसमें since और for दोनों use होते हैं, ma'am. So we are going to do F part here. I have sent you here. Will you please start?
How long
ma'am.
you
Yes, ma'am.
Have been watching TV.
have been watching TV?
Have been watching TV for
For
3 hours.
3 hours. Yes.
How many programs
Okay.
you have watched?
Have you
How
been
many programs you have
How many
been
programs
watching?
you have watched? तुमने कितने
You
program
have
have
watched,
been
yes.
watching.
हाँ. It is you
The
have been
boys-
watching because अभी इसमें हमने सिर्फ present continuous या present perfect भी लगा सकते हैं, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
you read the question. तो यहाँ पर आएगा how many programs
have you been
you have
watching?
watched? You have watched.
you have watched.
Okay, ma'am.
You
Yes.
have
Second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
दोनों tense आ
The
सकते हैं.
boys have been
Boys
the boys have been
Have been.
playing
The
4
boys
games.
have been playing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Playing
The boys
4
have
games
played.
of tennis so far.
Boys
They have been
played.
The boys
Yes.
They have been playing
Ma'am?
tennis since 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yes. Yes. Ma'am, confusion तो नहीं है.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Next.
I have been driving
I have
continuously since 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Yes.
I have
Next.
never
I have
never
Driven so long.
driven so long at
stretch
a stage before
Before.
OC.
बस. ये OC बीच में misprint हो गया. Yes. What you
What you have been doing all this
doing
while.
all this while. Yes.
While
I have been mending the car.
I have
Very
mending.
good.
I have been
I have
mending the car. Okay.
I have been mending the car.
You have
Next.
finished.
You have
You
finished
have
or-
been finished. No, you have finished or not.
Or not? Yes.
Yes.
I
Yes.
just-
Yes.
Yes. I have just
Yes, I
got it ready for the race.
Yes. Yes. I have just got it ready
I
for
have-
the race. Yes.
I
have been
have
doing
been
maths.
doing
Maths for 3
maths
hours now.
for 3 hours. 3 hours now.
I have finished all the exercises.
Very good. Yes. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
What you?
I have been-
finished.
I have
Yes,
finished
ma'am.
all the
I
exercises.
have
I have been listening.
listening to music for 6 hours now. I have been listening to music for 6 hours now.
I have finally understood. I have finally understood the
The
difference
difference between jazz and rock.
Rock.
Very good.
Why
you
you have been you have
crying?
been crying all
This while.
this while.
I have been missing my family.
I have missed my family.
No, I have been missing. I have been missing my family. Yes.
Okay.
Next, ma'am. G part.
Make meaningful sentence.
Make meaningful sentence in
I have been
present.
selling insurance for a long time.
Very good. Very good. Next.
Ram and Sham have been singing together childhood.
Since childhood. Since childhood.
Okay.
हाँ.
You
Uh,
have been
You have been sitting here
here
for 2
for
hours.
2 hours.
for 2
For 2
hours.
hours. जब
For 2
टाइम
For
की
2
एक
hours.
लिमिट दी हो तो फॉर, और अगर कोई
Yes,
टाइम
ma'am.
की लिमिट नहीं दिए तो सिंस. यस मैम.
The
The staff
staff
have not been cooperating.
have not been cooperate.
Has
Ting-
madam. The
Yes,
staff
ma'am.
has not been cooperating the
Cooperating.
officer. Yes.
The officer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
staff
You
is a
you
plural,
have
no?
not.
But
The staff has been. Staff have been नहीं आएगा मैम यहाँ. Staff यहाँ पर आपको collective noun दिया हुआ ना.
okay.
Okay. हाँ जी.
You have been not getting
Not
the
getting the
mail
mail
You
regularly.
have not
regularly.
been getting the mail regularly. Very good.
Regularly.
मैम थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, आई नो, ग्रामर में, मगर आप इसको इंडिविजुअली भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वंस वी हैव डन तो आई थिंक आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, मगर थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज ग्रामर की रखिए. अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. ऑल ऑफ यू आर देयर? ये तो मैम
Yes,
मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. जब हम बात करते हैं ना, when we are talking in fluency, तो hardly भी I mean मैटर कि हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में बोल रहे हैं या पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में बोल रहे हैं. ये तो स्लाइटली आपको नॉलेज रखने के लिए होती है. ठीक है. अभी आप मेरे को एक बात बताओ, हम लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, हम लोगों को ग्रामर की भी नॉलेज है. ग्रामर की नॉलेज तो होती है ना, सबको होती है. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि हम लोग बड़े पर्टिकुलर हो जाते हैं, मगर बोलते वक्त आप कभी ये मत सोचना यहाँ दिस आया था तो इसके साथ हैव नहीं लगना था, ये वहां आपकी फ्लुएंसी गड़बड़ा जाएगी. आप फ्लो में बोल जाइए क्योंकि आपको इतनी प्रैक्टिस मिल रही है कि आप जल्दी फ्लो में आने वाले हो. जब फ्लो में आ जाओगे, मान लो आपके मुंह से कोई गलत वर्ड निकल भी गया, हैज की जगह हैव निकल गया या आईएनजी नहीं निकला या कुछ है, मफल मत करना. स्टॉप. कोई बात नहीं, निकल गया, फ्लो में बोल जाओ. किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आपको वॉच करेगा. हाँ, अगर आप रुक के मफल करोगे, अपने आप को करेक्ट करोगे, तो जरूर लोग मुड़कर देखेंगे कि कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ हुई थी. डू यू एग्री? आप मेरी बात एग्री कर रहे हो ना? अब अंग्रेज लोग अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, कितनी समझ आती है, कितनी ग्रामर उनको आती है, कितनी ग्रामर आती है. हम इंडिया में जब गांव की भाषा बोलते, खड़ी भाषा, खड़ी बोली बोलते हैं, तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर व्याकरण एंड ऑल. आर वी गोइंग फॉर व्याकरण?
No, ma'am.
नो, बट वी स्पीक इट इन फ्लो. आप अपनी पंजाबी बोलो या गुजराती बोलो, whatever it is your language. Are you going for grammar part? You are in fluency. Similarly, this is the language. Once you start speaking, you will take, एक बार fluency पकड़ लोगे तो आप ज्यादा बॉदर नहीं करोगे इन चीजों के लिए, मगर नॉलेज पूरी होनी चाहिए. उसमें क्या होता है कि does this, इसीलिए मैं आपको रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा कराती हूँ. I don't go in bulk. मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? पता होना चाहिए प्रेजेंट टेंस में कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, शी इज डूइंग इट, शी हैज डन इट, हमें पता होना चाहिए. फ्लुएंसी में जब आपको आदत हो जाती है तो आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ता. आप जब अपनी भाषा बोलते हो तो कितना सोच के बोलते हो? अपनी भाषा बोलते हो कितना सोचते हो? अगर आप पहले इधर सोचोगे फिर इधर लाओगे, यू विल स्टार्ट मफलिंग. एम आई क्लियर मैम?
Yes.
Ma'am, muffling means
मफलिंग होता है
हकलाना type.
हकलाना टाइप का.
हकलाना.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. यू विल मफल.
MUFFLING.
यस, ये सब करवाए कि चिंता ना करो इनको. आप मेरी बात क्लियर हो रही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो हमने ये लैंग्वेज एक खूबसूरती से सीखनी है, मफल नहीं करना. ठीक है, तो हाँ, कल मैंने आपको बताया था आप लाइसेंस घर भूल गए हो, पुलिस वाले ने पकड़ लिया आप लोगों को।
कैमरा ऑफ है
Yes,
भी तो सही।
तो नीतू मैम आप बताइए ना क्या हुआ।
नीतू मैम और गीतू मैम।
कोई भी बोल लो, नीतू मैम मैं इसलिए बोलती हूँ आप कंफ्यूज ना हो। यस
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I'm telling you about an incident when I were going to purchase some house goods. So I have left my vehicle papers at home, and in the way at a signal, traffic police stopped me. They said, "Please show me your
शो यू
vehicle papers," but I didn't have. So how could I show to them?
Hmm.
I request them, please, sir, I forgot at home and I can't show you. Please let me go. I have an urgent work. I have pick up my son from school. He might be waiting for me. He said, no, please show me your papers. First, you show me your papers. Otherwise, you have to pay the fine. After that I think for some time, and now what I will do. So I remember that my mobile has in my mobile I have always soft copies of my important papers in my mobile. So I showed my mobile and they give me permission, please go, and
Yeah,
I will go for shopping.
record. I was allowed to go. I was allowed to go या permitted to
allowed to
go. Yeah. Yes, गीतू मैम आप भी पकड़े गए हो कभी? आप या आपके हस्बैंड कोई तो पकड़ा ही गया था, कोई ना कोई सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर ही देते हैं पुलिस वाले। यस मैम। गीतू मैम
Yesterday yesterday traffic police stopped me and he asked for license and papers. But I was having uh, I was having none of these. So I thought, what can I do now? There was I was trouble that time. Okay.
yes yes
So I lied to him that my grandmother is very ill, as she is serious. So I rushed from home. I forgot license and papers. License
yes
and
मैम ठीक बोल रहे
license
हो बोलते जाओ।
also told him I also told him that I always uh, carry all this, but today please try to understand my situation. Hmm.
Very
But
good.
still, but he was not allowing me to go, so he started no
ठीक है
allowing
मैम आप
me
ठीक
to
बोल रहे हो।
I started my drama that I starting my drama. I started crying and uh, yeah, starting crying, and finally he told me, okay, you can go now.
Okay, he allowed you to go then.
Yeah.
हाँ ड्रामा काम आ गया।
जी.
चलिए नमिता मैम प्लीज स्टार्ट।
Yesterday, I went to the market and I didn't have papers and license, and suddenly on a on road, traffic police stopped me and told me to show your paper, but I didn't have. So I say, sir, sorry, sir, I forgot my papers, and please sorry, and it's my first mistake. So you should ignore this. But he told, no, I don't know. It's your first mistake, and I don't allow to go without fine. So I told him, sir, please uh, uh, allow me to uh, allow me to brought paper from my home. Uh,
Allow me to
uh,
bring.
bring papers to my home so that I can show you. I am a human being and it's a normal mistake. So you should ignore. And I am a housewife. I am very busy. I have load of many work, so that I forget. So he started to laugh, and he allowed me uh, to go, and give me a warning that never
Never forget.
never forget your papers. Always keep in your dicky, so that you won't have any problem. And
Yeah,
after that he allowed me to go.
it was a warning for future. It was a warning. आप कह सकते
It
हो.
was
He gave me for future warning.
he
Yeah.
warned me for future that always keep your papers and license with you while driving, so that
Sometimes you find good people.
we and you both uh, won't face any problem.
Yes, good. Very good. Very good. You tried it. Now, what's happened, sometimes the policemen, you get good people. Sometimes they are
Yes,
very
ma'am.
genuine. Others are very rigid. कुछ बड़े rigid होते हैं. They don't try to understand your problem. Whatever you are talking to them, they want money. They want this thing. So it happens. It so happens. They rigid हो जाते हैं. Rigid मतलब
अड़ जाते हैं.
Rigid means
अड़ जाते हैं.
जाते
कई लोग
हैं.
तो अड़ जाते हैं. They don't even listen. They don't even listen. अब आप कई बार नोट करोगे, whenever the police, I mean the traffic police, अगर आपकी गाड़ी को हाथ देते हैं, रुक जाओ, एक गाड़ी पकड़ी जाती है, एक गाड़ी पकड़ी जाती है. जैसे वो कई बार कहते हैं कि वो ब्लैक फॉइल नहीं होना, ये नहीं होना, एक 4 पीछे से निकल जाती है. Nobody stops them. वो तो जो हाथ लग गया, they'll talk to them. Okay, ma'am. Now you copy this. Rahul. Ma'am, I'll tell you, I think Rahul, एक मिनट आप ये बेटा देख नहीं आ रहा, ये दिख तो रहा है, ये सारा काम है.
Now, ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, can you see now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, very fast, very fast. It's quick. It's quick, very fast. He's very quick. Next, very fast, quick. Very slow, creeping, creeping, creeping. Like after the accident on highway, the traffic was creeping. After the accident on highway, the traffic was creeping. Very good. Very good. Outstanding or superb? Superb. 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 Very good. Outstanding or superb? Got it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very hungry. Very hungry. बहुत भूखा. Famished. Famished. I'm famished. यानी मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ. I'm famished. Very loved. Very loved. Adored. 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 I adore him. I adore my children. My children are very loved. I adore my children. Very old, ancient, ancient. ANCIENT, ancient. It's an ancient building. It is an ancient building. बड़ी पुरानी building है. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सबने कर लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, very fast. कोई sentence बनाइए.
Very fast.
Yeah.
Don't drive quickly. It may be you may be get accident.
हाँ, don't drive.
Don't
Quickly.
drive
या
quickly.
ये तो है. Don't. वैसे इसमें don't drive fast ही आएगा. वैसे कहते
Okay.
हैं.
My
हाँ,
son,
यहाँ fast आएगा.
my
Yes,
son
ma'am.
solve next question next question quickly. Quick. Yeah,
हाँ.
quickly.
My son can solve. Like he's talented. He can solve maths exercise very quickly.
Very
Yes.
quick.
Very slow. Creeping. यहाँ use कीजिए.
He also eating food creeping.
He's creeping with his food. He's creeping with his food. वो इतना slow है.
He is creeping
With his
With
food.
his-
Creeping.
his-
Creeping यानी बहुत धीरे धीरे खा रहा है. Normally children are about, it so happens आप उनको आइसक्रीम दोगे, पिज्जा दोगे, ये खोगे, they can eat it, they can relish it. But जहाँ खाने की बात आती है सब्जी की, सभी बच्चों का यही हाल होता है. Yes, creeping. जैसे आप कहते हो, finish your work. Why are you creeping? Finish your work. Why are you creeping? कोई काम कर रहे हो, finish it. Hurry up. Yes, ma'am. Very good sentence. Superb. Understanding.
My English class is outstanding.
Okay. Next, you can use superb also. Like your performance was superb. Your performance was outstanding.
Superb.
Namita ma'am, आप बनाइए ना कोई sentence.
Yes, ma'am. My daughter's achievements are superb.
Very good, very good. Outstanding या superb दोनों use कर सकते हो.
Okay.
Yes. गीतू मैम, आपसे sentence नहीं आया कल तो आपने बड़े अच्छे बनाए. गीतू मैम, आज गीतू मैम रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे हो, क्या बात है, यही हो ना?
नो मैम म्यूट थी, मेरे को पता ही नहीं था.
ध्यान दिया करो ना फिर. अच्छा, तो आपको पता नहीं चला, आवाज नहीं आ रही तो?
मेरे को
check किया
आवाज,
करो.
मैं सोच मैं बोल रही हूँ तो आप सुन रहे हो.
नहीं नहीं. अच्छा बताओ, कोई सेंटेंस बनाओ गुड का, वेरी गुड का.
He is superb in swimming.
He's superb in swimming. Yes, very good. Very nice. Now, very hungry, famished.
Beggar
After
is looking famished.
Very good. Becker is
I,
looking famished.
I got have to prepare breakfast early because as my children wake up, they are very famished. नहीं.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Very
I
loved, adored. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Neetu.
after taking bath, my husband getting famished.
He gets famished. He wants the
Hmm.
breakfast early. He wants breakfast early. क्यों होता है? When you take breakfast, you're fresh. You want breakfast early. Yes. Very loved,
Very loved.
adored.
Adored.
My daughter,
Children,
yeah, okay. You
बोलो
tell me,
ma'am, बोलो.
Namrata ma'am.
Pardon?
my children are very adore. No, no, it's not a good sentence. No, मतलब मैं कहना चाहती हूँ. I want to say that बच्चे बहुत ही मतलब बच्चों को देख के बहुत ही प्यार आता है.
सभी बच्चों को.
I feel adored to see the children. No.
सभी बच्चों को.
हाँ, yeah. It's not a right sentence. Okay.
Few children. मतलब झूठ बोलने से क्या फायदा? Like I am not that horrible person.
It's not a lie, it's the truth. The
Any
small
child you
ones,
pick up.
I like every small children. बहुत छोटे छोटे
Some
होते हैं
people
तो
they
बहुत-
say na, unless the child is neat and tidy, I'll never pick up. So it's my nature. It's my nature. तो होता ही है. Like you like your own brothers, sisters, you like your own grandchildren, you love them. But सभी बच्चों से नहीं होता. It's anyway. आप कह सकते हो that child is adorable. That child is adorable.
Yes, the child is
Her
adorable.
actions are adorable. आप कह सकते हो अभी आप इंडियन वो क्या देखते रहते हो जो सॉन्ग्स का बच्चों का आ रहा है लाइव म्यूजिक
Indian
आता है
Idol.
ना
Indian
Yes,
Idol.
तो you said the child is so adorable, her actions are adorable. मतलब
Okay.
प्यार आता है उनको देख के प्यार आना, किसी चीज को देख के प्यार आना, उनकी शरारत देख के प्यार आना, like this.
Okay.
Very old, ancient.
Ma'am, adorable. No,
Adorable
my daughter adorable of pets.
adorable of
Pets. Pets.
नहीं समझ नहीं
Pets,
समझ में आया
pets
मैम
mean-
क्लियर
पालतू जानवर.
pets yeah
Ma'am,
so आप
pets.
देखिए आप ये बोलिए my daughter adores pets. Adorable
Adores.
नहीं my
Adores.
daughter adores pets.
Adores pets.
Pets और मैंने बोला था the child is adorable तो the pet is adorable बोल सकते हो या आप लिखिए my daughter is very adorable अपने बच्चे के लिए बोल सकते हैं आप ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
now old ancient
This suit is very ancient, but I like it.
suit
Yes, this suit is very no, this suit is ancient, but I like this.
एक मिनट मैम आप सूट की बात कर रहे हो जो ड्रेस होती है
जी, yes.
दादी नानी की
No, this suit is ancient, बहुत पुराना है, but I like this.
आप ये ना कहो यहाँ एंशियंट मत कहो यहाँ को इट्स ओल्ड फैशन इट्स ओल्ड
Okay.
फैशन बट आई लाइक इट एंशियंट होता है किसी बिल्डिंग के लिए या किसी पुरानी क्रॉकरी के लिए इट्स एन एंशियंट का क्रॉकरी के लिए आ गया उसके लिए सूट तो अगर दादी का सूट होगा तो आप उसको ये कहोगे ओल्ड फैशन वहां
A
ओल्ड
building
फैशन
of
यूज
my
करो
colony, a
Pardon, ma'am?
building of my colony is ancient.
हाँ
It is very dangerous for neighbors.
ये भी हो सकता है यस यस ठीक है मैम गीतू मैम आर यू क्लियर
Yes, ma'am.
डाउट क्लियर हुआ ना
This jewelry is very ancient.
हाँ ज्वेलरी के लिए आ सकता है ज्वेलरी के लिए आ सकता है एंटीक पीस नहीं होता
जी.
एंटीक
Okay.
पीस उसको आप ये बोल सकते हो दिस ज्वेलरी इज एंटीक एंशियंट से भी ज्यादा एंटीक आएगा ठीक है मैम
Okay, ma'am.
ANTQUE एंटीक
Okay.
ठीक है
Ma'am, Vedic
Yes,
maths
ma'am.
course. Vedic maths course is the ancient time.
Pardon, ma'am?
Vedic max course is ancient time.
हाँ, ठीक है. Now I'm going to do sentences with you. मोबाइल शोरूम में बहुत से वैरायटी है. मोबाइल शोरूम में बहुत सारी वैरायटी है.
There are many varieties in mobile showroom.
There are a large
There are
variety
many-
of mobile phones in the showroom.
Yes, मैं आपको इनके साथ ये बता रही हूँ. पहले मैं बोलती हूँ. I'm going to giving new words along with it. The mobile store has buffet of mobiles in showroom. बुफे यानी वैरायटी. आप कहीं शादियों में आजकल बुफे नहीं होता?
Yes, ma'am.
शादियों में बुफे होता है, वैरायटी होती है. यानी 50 सब्जियां बनी होंगी, खानी तो एक ही है ना, तो वही वाली होती है बुफे. तो इसी ढंग से आप बोल सकते हैं. बोलिए, द मोबाइल स्टोर हैज बुफे ऑफ फोन्स इन द शोरूम. प्लीज स्पीक. बोलिए.
The mobile has buffet in the showroom.
नहीं. द मोबाइल स्टोर
The
Has-
mobile store has
Mobile
buffet
store
the
has
showroom.
buffet of phones. Buffet of
buffet of
phones
phones
अच्छा, buffet of phones in the showroom.
in the showroom. क्योंकि बुफे तो खाने का भी होता है, वैरायटी तो खाने की भी होती है. बुफे ऑफ फोन्स इन द शोरूम. ठीक है.
Buffet
बेल्ट
of
को
the phone
कस
in the
के
showroom.
बांधो.
Yes, ma'am.
बेल्ट को कस के बांधो.
Belt को
Fasten
कसके
the
बांधो.
belt. Fasten.
fasten the belt. हाँ.
Fasten. FASTEN. Fasten the belt. बेल्ट को
Fasten the
कस के बांध दो. आप जब एरोप्लेन पे जाते हो तो वह कहते हैं ना, fasten the belt.
Yes.
बेल्ट को कस के बांध दो. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मंगलवार को आप आ रहे हैं ना?
Do you come on Tuesday? On Tuesday.
Are you
Are
coming
you
on?
coming on Tuesday? नहीं बोलना, Tuesday. Tuesday. Are you coming on Tuesday?
Are you coming on?
Are you coming on
Tuesday.
Tuesday?
You're coming on Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tuesday नहीं है. Are you coming on Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah. Got it, ma'am? ये बोलो एक बार बोलो. Are you coming on
Are you
Tuesday?
Coming on Tuesday.
Are you coming on Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Yes.
Are you coming on Tuesday?
Tuesday. CH. Tuesday. Yes.
Tuesday.
मेरा पेपर बुधवार को है.
My paper
My paper
is
is on
on
Wednesday.